Look at this chicken-shaped handbag. Or this butcher knife purse. Or this watering jug handbag. Crazy, right? Fashion has seriously evolved. But check out fashion's latest offering to the world. This bag right here is, wait for it, made of real meteorites. Yes, you heard it right. French luxury accessory brand Coperni recently unveiled a limited edition mini meteorite handbag that is hand-carved from a meteorite that fell on Earth approximately 55,000 years ago. And since then, this bag has gone viral. As part of its Fall-Winter 23 fashion collection, Coperni created this limited edition handbag that combines archaeology, design, as well as classical and primitive art. It is a small-sized bag that weighs around 1.8 kg. While this simple-looking bag may remind you of a Zara or H&M bag, the price of this bag is nowhere close to them. We checked their website and found out that the dark grey colored bag costs 35 lakhs in Indian currency. Unique pieces come with huge price tags after all. According to their website, each piece of this bag is exclusively handmade and the meteorite gets individually sourced per each order and can come from various locations depending on where the meteorite fell on Earth. It's also non-refundable and it's quite fair given the humongous amount of effort it takes to create this bag. A lot to take in, right? Well, the internet sure has a lot to say about this piece. While some users called it iconic and a piece of art, some trolled it by calling it a shopping bag for the Flintstones and compared it with their mom's old slippers. As they say, one man's trash is another man's treasure. We sure are impressed and still wrapping our head around this innovative fashion accessory. But we bet you didn't know this, so this isn't the first time Coperni has mixed innovation with fashion. They are also behind supermodel Bella Hadid's viral spray-painted dress at Paris Fashion Week last year. Coperni collaborated with Fabricant, who used a spray-on fabric liquid made of natural and synthetic fibers such as wool, mohair, cotton, nylon and cellulose that is suspended in a polymer solution. They sprayed the liquid solution with a spray gun onto her body, which then evaporated to form a non-woven fabric. After that, the white dress was cut, altered and a slit was added and Bella walked around the room in a dress created on the stage itself. Magic, isn't it? Another of their latest viral moments was making models and robots share the runway at the Coperni fashion show. Coperni partnered with Boston Dynamics, in which robots rather than models were the star of the show. Robot cannons in tarantula stripes of yellow and black stalked into the room while models emerged to share the stage. In the show, a model and a robot approached each other, appeared to make friends, and then the robot helped her to take her coat off. Another robot picked up and carried a model's handbag for her. While looking at the robots surely gave us Black Mirror vibes, the models walking with them was surely a first. Well, aren't we glad to be alive in this time and age where the sky's the limit and innovation is everywhere? Looking forward to seeing more of it. Tell us though, will you consider buying their meteorite bag if your wallet allows it? Let us know in the comments and do subscribe to Shosha for more such fashion videos.